Hi everyone, I hope you guys all had a really nice weekend. I love watching Henry clean himself, especially when his cute little paw is on his bum. I finally finished making all my peach candles, so it's now time to wrap them up. I decided to start by wrapping them up with tissue paper so that it doesn't damage the powder coat. I was inspired by the fruit packaging they have at typical Asian markets, and I've seen them put cute little sleeves for the fruit, so I thought my peach candles deserved the same. We also have Henry here being the designated quality control, although he's not very good at this job. He's honestly just here to step on all my stuff and lay on the tissue paper. I also got this super cute heart-shaped bubble wrap. I'm so in love with it and decided to use it as extra protection since these candles are super delicate. I wanted to find a way to tie them at the top, so I decided to fold them in a way where they're almost shaped like little flowers. It was a lot more difficult and annoying than I thought it was going to be, but I think it came out alright and it was kind of worth it. Before you judge, I know this is a lot of food, but Eric and I like to buy extra food sometimes when we order so that we can eat a variety and also eat more later on for other meals. This is one of our favorite Thai food restaurants to order from, and my friend actually recommended it to me back in the summer, and we have just been obsessed ever since. It's a place called Hero Thai Izakaya, and it's located in Astoria. What's interesting is that it's a Thai food place, but I also think they sell Japanese food.
It smells so good, the Thai curry one.
Today we ordered the shrimp pad see ew, chicken basil fried rice, and we got this really interesting ramen called the khao soy ramen. It's a ramen noodle in a northern style Thai curry with chicken, boiled eggs, scallion, red onion, and these little crispy noodles.
It smells very curry-y, but not in a bad way.
It ended up being really good, and instead of drowning the noodles with the curry, I decided to just mix it like a sauce and save the rest to use later with more noodles. I swear I've never had basil fried rice, but Eric has told me that we've eaten basil fried rice together, so I guess this isn't my first time, but regardless, it was really good. Eric always secretly eats all the vegetables because he knows I don't like vegetables, so then whenever I go to eat the noodles, I get to eat the best part. I have these days where I just need to have pizza, and this day was one of them, and it was even better because Papa John's was having a deal if you buy 2 medium-sized pizzas, so that's exactly what I did.
Did you eat this slice?
I've been really enjoying watching these Korean vlogs, and it was funny because they are also eating Papa John's pizza, so it kind of felt like I was there with them. Some of the Korean vloggers that I really like are Jondae, Kinda Cool, Jen Jem is a new one I've been watching, and I also really like Dasha. I feel like I don't really show my face anymore, so I just wanted to say hello! This is one of my favorite positions that Henry is in when he sleeps. His little curled up croissant position, and then he likes to show his little nose and his little belly, and he's just the cutest. Can you guys spot the heart on Henry's chest? I went outside and I thought the yellow leaves were so pretty for the fall time. When Eric and I visited the Japanese grocery store, I remembered him wanting the ice cream, so I decided to surprise him with it. I got one regular vanilla and one matcha vanilla swirl. I was honestly a little skeptical about it since it was just a frozen soft serve, but it ended up tasting really amazing. It wasn't too sweet and it just hit the spot. I will say the cone part wasn't as good, but overall the ice cream tasted really nice, so I would definitely buy this again.
Oh, okay. Henry, wanna try? Wait, Henry. He can eat. Like give him one lick. Just a lick. Henry.
I've been seeing a bunch of levain cookie recipes on TikTok, and I really wanted to try. They're pretty easy to follow, and it wasn't that bad.
Which one should I eat?
I'm definitely more of a crispy cookie fan, but the walnuts and dark chocolate really did it for me.
Oh my goodness, look at that. So good. Let me try.
I could see myself making these again if I have a sudden crave for cookies.
Oh my god, it's so good.
I recently tried to mix my rice with cauliflower rice, and it's pretty good. I actually can't even tell that it's there, so I think it'll be a really good way to slowly introduce it to make my meals a little bit healthier. I just popped some salmon in the air fryer and had a super quick and kinda healthy meal, and I think this will be my go-to. I also decided to watch 3 Birds renovations. I love watching them do these crazy renos, and it just gets my mind bubbling on what I want in my future home. You guys just have to see how Henry's sitting right now.
Excuse me, you're gonna tip over.
Oh my gosh. Look, that's Henry's bum.
Henry, you're gonna tip over. Okay, ready, puppy? Here you go. I didn't do anything, I just helped you.
You were gonna fall over.
Henry, this is not it. What? Okay.
With the weather getting chilly, I was craving some warm soup, so I have this instant samgyetang, and it's a ginseng chicken soup. You can also see Henry lurking in the back. He knows how to do paw, so now he just thinks every single time he raises his paw he gets a treat, which is obviously not true.
No, stop it.
As you can see, I'm also back on watching some Gossip Girl. I'm at the part where Blair and Chuck are finally dating after saying they love each other, and they are my favorite couple, and I really just only watch the show for them. So this is how my apartment is originally set up. I put a lot of thought into dividing the space so that each area was like its own room. I have my communal desk space, the bedroom, and the living room.
Let's go time.
My mind has been a bit cluttered these days, and my personal remedy is rearranging my room. I used to rearrange my room at least twice a year when I was in high school, and even sometimes in college. Usually some spatial change helps a lot with de-stressing, and I feel like because I'm home all the time now, I need to find a way to re-explore the space. I completely flipped everything around, and overall I would say my biggest complaint is the table. I don't like how big it is and where it is, but I'll have to deal for now since I have no plan of getting rid of it until I move out. I will say, present me isn't very pleased in general because Henry actually just knocked my big mirror over and I had to clean shattered glass all day today, but me in the video doesn't know that, so I'm just gonna pretend like everything is good. There isn't as much spatial division as there was before, but overall I think the room looks a lot more homey and I'll have to live in it for a bit to see if I really like it. I will also have to get a new mirror and keep a close eye on Henry to see if he likes the changes. I hope you guys have a better week than how mine started, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!